I'm going to teach you how to make rose. For this you will require pencil, scissor, glue, and I've taken a brush. We are going to use the back side of the brush only to curl this petals. So for this I've taken a A4 size printing paper that we use for printing, and if you are doing it for the first time, you may do it on the newspaper. So let's get started. Let's fold this paper and see that your paper is one above the other, and when you get the proper when you get this thing exactly the way, then you cut this side of this paper, which we are not going to use this. So you get the square, and now for the square we are going to divide the square into 4 equal parts. For this, what we are going to do is we are going to again fold the paper. Just see that the paper is one above the other. Your fold matters in the craft, and once the fold is accurate, your craft, the work you are doing it will come out perfect. So another fold, just make a square, and once this is done, just open it up. You get this 4 sides. Then what you do, you cut this all the 4 squares, the smaller squares. So this is how you will get the 4 squares. Okay, now let's get started. Take the first square and just fold the square into a triangle. Just see that your folding is proper, just one above the other. Then from the longest side, just take one more fold, make the second triangle of that same. Again the longer side, just fold it and make the third fold or the third triangle. Okay, you got this? Now what we are going to do is we are just going to draw a half oval, and where you're going to draw this half oval, opposite to the openable side, let the folded side be down like a cone, and then the openable side opposite to that you will draw this oval shape, half oval shape. This will be your petals. Okay, now cut this oval shape. Just be careful while using the scissors, and if you're not used to, ask your parents or your elders to cut and give you. Okay, this is how you will get your flowers. See the squares that I had shown you, you have to do the same thing, the triangles for all these 3 papers. Then you cut it and you'll get this 4 flowers. Okay, so once this is done, what we are going to do is we are going to number the flowers. Like this is the first, second, third, and fourth. Now after doing this, take the first flower, do one cross, okay, anywhere on the petal. Okay, this is, and then on the second flower we are going to do one cross and one C, that is C for cut. We are going to cut the whole petal. The third flower we are going to do one cross and do 2 C's. Okay, we are going to cut 2 petals. And on the fourth flower we are going to do one cross and we are going to write 3 C's, that is 3 petals we are going to cut. So after doing this, what we are going to do is we are going to color the flowers. So while coloring the flowers, be careful that you don't do anything on this side, okay? And you start coloring all the flowers. And you color the whole flowers. Okay, this is how we are going to color all the 4 flowers. Okay, so I had used my color pencils. You can use your crayons for doing that. The cross part we are going to glue, and the C part we are going to cut. First we'll take the first is the number 1 flower. We are just going to give a cut in between the color and the cross. Okay, this is how you are going to do the first flower. The second flower, we are going to, wherever you have written C, you are going to just remove that petal. Okay, one this side and this side. The third flower, we are just going to cut the 2 petals wherever it is CC. Okay, together I have cut. Now wherever I have written here C, see the 3 petals together I am going to cut. Okay, this is how we are going to do. After doing this, we are going to take the first petal, and wherever you have done the cross, we are just going to apply a little bit of glue and going to stick this. The colored portion will be above and the cross portion will go behind. Same with the second, you are going to glue this. You are going to place the cross behind and the color in the front. Your 4 flowers are ready. Now what we are going to do is we are going to take the first flower, and above the first flower in the middle you are just going to apply some little glue, and then you are going to take your second flower and you are just going to place it right in the middle and press it with your finger. Okay, just in the middle. You may also give a slight turn, curls to your petals. Forgot to mention, when your flowers are ready and the cutting is done, after that you can curl your petals. This is how you are going to curl your petals. Same with this. So this is how you are going to curl all your petals, and then we have stuck the second one, now the third one. So we are going to just glue this right in the middle of the second, and we are going to take the third flower. So that's the reason why we have written the numbers, so it is easier for you to get those flowers handy. Then the fourth and the last one, we are just going to cut little bit of tip. Okay, and we are going to apply the glue here in the middle and stick this, and with the help of your finger just press this in the middle. This is how the rose is done. Just give some time for this rose to get dry. Now, so this is how your rose is going to come out. So look at this curls, because you have used this rounded brush behind portion and you have curled these petals, and this is how your rose will look. Now where you're going to use your roses, you can use it on your gift bags when you're gifting to your friends on their birthday parties, or you may use to make this beautiful card.